Hello there. I've got something a bit different to share with you all today. I've got my hands on my first Papercraft Society box. Now this is a subscription box that you can get you can buy a one-off, or you can have a 3 monthly, 6 monthly or yearly subscription for. And the cheapest way to get your hands on it is to sign up for the yearly subscription, which works out $18.74 a month, or single boxes for $24.99. This one is currently $27.99. This is a May edition, and it features the designer Katie Skilton. So what you'll find is a different designer every single month. And you get this really lovely box to start with, which, as you could hear, Velcro attached. And you get over a £60 value in there, which I think is pretty incredible. So yeah, it's beautifully decorated. Every month you'll have a different box. So let's take a peek inside. First of all, we have a lovely saying: to be creative is to put a little piece of your heart into each project. Isn't that true? And then we have a leaflet to show Katie your makes, and you can win some vouchers by the looks of it. Very exciting. So this was May last year, May 2021. I guess that's why it's $27.99 now. Okay, let's peek inside. So we have this wallet again with her logo on it, and this really nice pink chevron design. Attaches with Velcro again, and then we have another saying: don't forget to share your makes with Papercraft Society. Do something creative every day. Very true. So the first section of the wallet has got some lovely dies in it. So we've got butterfly, a wreath, the circle, flowers, smile, little square there, so nice for scrapbooking and card making and anything else you might want to do with that. So really nice designs there that I'm sure you'll use all the time. The flourishes and leaves and stuff are always useful. Okay, and then we have the next section. Okay, and here we have got an embossing folder that coordinates with the stamps and dies. You've got a circle aperture there, and then some hearts. And let's have a look, see what we've got in here. We have some papers, a really nice weight, I have to say. One-sided, so we've got flowers, some text, like a newspaper type print, green dots, the pink chevron like we have on the box, yellow hearts, more chevrons. I'm a big fan of chevrons, it has to be said. Some more lovely flowers, some text but in this blue. Okay, and we have some watercolor card as well. Very nice. Like that very much. Okay, let's put those back in there. I'll put them back in the sleeve in a minute. I'm sure you don't want to watch me put things back in a cellophane bag. Okay, and then lastly we have the stamps. So all coordinating again. We've got the wreath, the flowers. It's your birthday, hello, life is an adventure. You can see these would be awesome for scrapbooking as well as your card making, as I said, with the dies there. I think you'll find a lot of use for those. And you've got a border stamp. Very nice. Hearts, always useful to have. And this wreath, I guess you could make into Christmas as well. Yeah, so I will be making some bits with this as well. Whether they'll go on here or on my blog. I'm not sure yet, but my blog is gatheranccreate.co.uk, which I'll link below, and I'll also link everything that I'm showing you. So that's the wallet. I'm not doing a very good job of closing the wallet. Okay. And so you could collect those up, and they're designed to sit on your shelf, and you've got the designer and the number of the box on there as well, if you want to know which one you need to grab. References it there on the side, which I really like, and I love how it just all folds up. So if you're going away and you're crafting, or you're going to a crop or something like that, you know you've got everything there that you need in one handy bundle. But there is just a bit more as well. So we have this. Anything wrapped in tissue is always a good idea. So we have the branding on there. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, so we have 2 ink spots, which will be coordinating with the papers. So we have like this teal colour and a black. Don't know what type of ink that is. We have some clear embossing powder in the cutest little pot ever. Creative minds inspire others. This lovely card, and Katie's top tips for creating eye-catching cards. Only use a small selection of colours so the project doesn't become too busy. Don't always feel you have to place embellishments in the centre. Try working to the side. Create eye-catching projects by positioning the embellishments in a cluster rather than being too spread out. Small cards can make a big statement. Try adding small embellishments in odd numbers. White space can make stamped images and die cuts pop. That's really nice. And it's really thick as well, not just a flimsy piece of paper. It's a nice card there. Some good advice and tips. Okay, we have some glitter card. Okay. And that's the lady herself, I take it. And then what have we got in here? It's got more top tips in there, explains all your elements. Does it say about the ink pads? Could be pigment ink. Oh, here we go. It says add this to gorgeous teal ink pad you can use for stamping backgrounds, blending, watercolour painting. Okay, so it's dye based. And then we have, I won't go in that too much, but it looks like we have lots of inspiration as well. So if you are new to card making, this would be an amazing thing to just pick up and have a go without having to have too much investment. Obviously you'll need to have a die cutting machine for the dies, but get together with a friend maybe and do that. And so you've got the whole inspiration booklet, and also very useful if you've lost your crafty mojo or you're in a hurry to make something quickly. And then okay, and now we have the coordinating cardstock. Let's have a look at that. I'll just undo the belly band. The easiest way in, I think. It's a perfect card blanks, and it's a nice weight again. So we've got the mint, the teal, blue, lilac, yellows, 2 shades of yellows. Another blue and another lilac. So all in all, I'm really happy with my first Papercraft Society box. there's lots of goodies in here to play with. I love that when you can just grab something and not have to worry about getting, well, what stamps I'm going to use, what dies I'm going to use. You've just got a whole kit here to just sit and get creative without having to do too much of the planning. So yeah, I think I would highly recommend giving one of these a go. I'm really impressed with the quality of the products in here. I was a little bit dubious, I must admit, and I've been toying with one of these for a little while, and I'm really pleased I did. So if you want to give one a go as well, as I said, all the information is in the description below. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here really soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.